warm and a hearty welcome to each and every one of you friends. A very warm and a hearty welcome to all of you friends from the entire team at BYJU'S Exam Prep. A very warm and a hearty welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So friends, today we are back with a Menti quiz, and I'm sure that all of you are excited for this quiz on legal aptitude, which is going to pave way. How much have you studied over the last couple of months so as to prepare yourself for CLAT and other law entrance examination? So a very warm and a hearty welcome to each and every one of you watching me live on our YouTube platform. Friends, today we are back with this amazing quiz, your favorite Menti quiz. Use the code 99743672 on menti.com so that you can answer the questions which will come ahead. So how many of you have joined me? Okay, there are only 16 of you who have joined me by now. Where are the rest? I would request all of you to share this session with your friends so that others who are also watching can also join in for a wonderful experience on your preparation for CLAT and other law entrance examination. A very good afternoon to all of you. So guys, today we bring to you a gamut of questions. A gamut of questions which are made for the sole purpose to assess how much have you studied, how much are you well prepared for CLAT and other law entrance examination. So guys, without much ado, let's begin. So let's begin. Let us begin with the session, friends. Which of the following factors separate robbery from dacoity? Which of the following factors separate robbery from dacoity? Is it time, place, property, or number of people? Time's up. Okay, so here we get the numbers. 16 of you got it right. The number of people. The differentiation between theft and dacoity is on the number of people. How many people are involved? That's the differentiating factor. Okay. Moving on to question number 2 out of the 25 questions that we have. Who was the first Law Minister of India? If you want, I can give you a small hint. He is known as one of the fathers of the Indian Constitution. The first Law Minister of India. Was it Chittaranjan Das, B.R. Ambedkar, B.N. Rao, or J.B. Kriplani? The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the chairman of the drafting committee to the Constituent Assembly, and later on he became India's first law minister. Very good, very good. So you can see how much of knowledge do you have and where you need to work on. Moving on to the next question, question number 3. Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code of 1860 considers forced sex in marriage as a crime only when the wife is below the age of which of the following? 18, 16, 15 or none of the above. And the correct answer is 18. It is 18. Most of you got it right. Very good, very good. So guys, if you are liking today's session, do share this session with your friends and others who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Moving on to the next question, question number 4. The offense for the offense of dacoity, how many people are minimum required? What is the minimum requirement of people to be involved for the offense of dacoity? And the correct answer is it 2, 3, 4 or 5? And the correct answer is 5. It is 5. Okay, less than 5 is theft. Am I clear? All of you? Are you guys understanding? Okay, moving on. Question number 5. The Indian Penal Code was drafted on the recommendation of the First Law Commission of India. The Indian Penal Code was drafted on the recommendation of the First Law Commission of India. Who was the framer? Lord Macaulay. And even today we refer the Indian Penal Code as Lord Macaulay's Code. Even today we refer that code as Lord Macaulay's Code. Very, very important. Question number 6. The infamous case of D.K Basu versus State of West Bengal deals with which of the following? Safeguards of arrested person. These are the D.K Basu principles. That when a person is arrested, he must be told why he is arrested, for what offense. He must be produced before the magistrate within 24 hours. He has a right to be consulted with a lawyer of his or her choice. Right? Those are those principles which was founded by D.K Basu. It was the State of West Bengal, the famous Supreme Court judgment. Okay? Let's move on to question number 7. a male Hindu marrying a second wife while the first marriage is still continuing, is in subsistence, has committed the offense called bigamy. Brilliant. All of you have given me the right answer. Each and every one of you has given me the right answer. So guys, if you are enjoying today's session, do press the like button on the YouTube page and do share this session with your friends, and definitely do comment if you want more classes or more sessions like these in the upcoming days to come. Moving on to question number 8. When two or more persons by fighting in public place disturbs the peace, it is called affray. It is called affray. Am I clear? It is called affray. Is that clear to all of you? Moving on. Question number 9. What is it called if you instigate someone? If you are helping someone in the commission of an offense? A person dash the doing of a thing who instigates any person to do that thing. So if you are instigating someone, if you are helping someone in doing an act which is wrong, that is called abatement. Right, that's called abates. So a person abates the doing of a thing. Moving on to question number 10. The Naz Foundation judgment. The Naz Foundation judgment dealt with which of the following issues? Passive euthanasia, criminalization of homosexuality, spectrum allocation, or constitutionality of narco test. And the correct answer is criminalization of homosexuality. It dealt with the LGBT rights. And I'm sure that you must be aware of it. It dealt with the LGBT rights. Moving on. Let's see the leaderboard. You can check out your points, your names up there on the leaderboard, right? Congratulations. Congratulations to you guys. Moving on to question number 11. Moving on to question number 11. The term FIR, which is used in criminal law. You go to the police station and you lodge an FIR. Right, you must have heard about it in movies, in real life also. So what does FIR stands for? First Information Report. FIR stands for First Information Report. Okay. Question number 12. Making false statement in the court is absolutely wrong, right? So suppose a witness makes a false statement. Knowing it well that it is false, he commits the offense called which of the following? It's called perjury. It is called perjury. Am I clear? It is called perjury. So guys, if you are enjoying today's session, do press the like button. Do share this session with your friends, those who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a feature of the criminal justice system in India? Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is preponderance of probability. Now, that's a concept that is not there in our criminal justice system, but of late, there has been a number of judgments that have been rendered by the Supreme Court. And various lawyers have also argued that preponderance of probability should be one of the features of criminal justice system, but as on today, it is not a feature of the criminal justice system in India. Innocent unless proven guilty, right against self-incrimination, proof beyond reasonable doubt. These are all part of our criminal justice system. Question number 40. A hint. When you see a tick mark, you think of Nike. So there are certain marks, right, which shows who is the producer of that particular thing, right? So trademark, certain marks like Haldiram, the name Haldiram, H, the kind of H which is written, right? Tata, Tata cars, Tata salt, how Tata is written. So these are all trademark. These are logos of a company, right? BYJU'S Exam Prep, the manner in which it is used. Okay, moving on to question number. Okay, I think there is a leaderboard right now. Okay, good, good, good. Very good, very good. You can see the leaderboard out there. The next question. Question number 15. a public authority is not doing his function as mandated under the law, which of the writs can be used to direct that person to do something as mandated by law? And the correct answer is mandamus. A mandatory order will be passed. A mandatory order will be passed. Okay. Moving on. Roses in December is an autobiography written by the first Chief Justice of Bombay High Court after independence. He was the first Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court. Can you tell me? The correct answer is his son happens to be Mr. Iqbal Chagla, a very senior advocate of the Bombay High Court, and his father was MC Chagla, Chief Justice MC Chagla, who later on also argued the Keshwananda Bharati's cases. Then he went on to become a minister, a diplomat, and a great judge. The book he wrote was Roses in December, one of the fantastic book even which I have read about an autobiography of a former judge. Recommend all of you to read that book once you get free time. Question number 17. Which of the following is a quasi-judicial body? And the correct answer is Central Information Commission, Railway Claims Tribunal, State Human Rights Commission, all of the above. All of these are quasi-judicial bodies. They consist of judges as well as people from the executive. Okay? Question number 18. In which of the following year the Banking Ombudsman was introduced in India? Was it 1991, 1995, 1999 or 2003? And the correct answer is it was introduced in the year 1995. Most of you were not born when it was introduced, right? Okay. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Moving on to question number 19. Which of the following statement is not true? Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option A. It was established in 1995. No, it was not. That's wrong. Question number 20. Mens rea, actus rea, crime. That's the hint. A crime constitutes of mens rea and actus rea, right? What is mens rea and what is actus rea? Very good, very good. It is called the guilty mind. Your guilty mind and your guilty action constitutes a crime. So guilty mind happens to be the right answer. Let's see. Okay. Which of the following courts took up the suo moto matter relating to the Hathras gang rape case? Was it the Allahabad High Court, the Lucknow High Court, the Delhi High Court, or the Supreme Court of India? And the correct answer is the suo moto cognizance was taken by the Allahabad High Court. The Allahabad High Court. Question number 22. After Chief Justice of India NV Ramana retires, who will be the next Chief Justice of India? Am I clear? The question is very simple. Who is next in line to become the Chief Justice of India after Chief Justice of India NV Ramana retires? It is Justice U.U. Lalit, Justice Uday Umesh Lalit. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit will become the next Chief Justice of India for a couple of months after Justice NV Ramana retires. So Justice Uday Umesh Lalit happens to be the right answer. Question number 23. What is the total or the maximum strength of judges of the Supreme Court of India right now? Very simple question. I want each and every one of you give me the right answer. The correct answer is 34 and not 35. It is 33 judges plus 1 Chief Justice. 33 judges plus 1 Chief Justice, that is 34 judges. Not 35. No, not 35. Question number 24. Which amongst the following is not a part of DPSP, not a part of Directive Principles of State Policy? It is adult education. Children education is given, but adult education is not provided. under the directive principles of state policy? That was a little tricky questions. No, you must respect international peace and security is one of the directive principles of state policy. Okay, moving on to question number 25 of 25 questions. Last question. Which of the following was not a part of the Farms Bill of 2020? I'm sure that you must be aware of the Farms Bill, which was taken back by the Prime Minister about a couple of months back. The correct answer is Regulation of Black Marketing Bill. Regulation of Black Marketing Bill was not a part of the Farms Bill of 2020. So guys, let us see the final leaderboard. Let us see the final leaderboard. Akshay, 19743 points. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay, congratulations, Akshay. Then you have Sugar Daddy. Then you have this. A lot of people out there. Okay. So friends, with this, we come to the end of today's session. I hope you liked today's session. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care. And do like and share today's session. And let me know if you want more such Menti quizzes from our end. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.